Having trouble backing up your iPhone using mobile data? Don't worry, it can happen for a number of reasons like iCloud settings, network configurations, or data limits. But no need to stress. This guide will walk you through the steps to fix the issue and get your iPhone backing up your mobile data. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable iCloud backup over mobile data. First, head to Settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Cellular. Scroll down a bit more and ensure iCloud Drive is enabled under Cellular Data. After that, open Settings again. Then tap on your name at the top and select iCloud. Scroll down and type on iCloud Backup. If it's not already turned on, toggle iCloud Backup on. Now, tap on Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. If the backup doesn't start, go ahead and try backing up once again. Solution 2. Disable Low Data Mode. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then, tap on Cellular. Next, tap on Cellular Data Options. Make sure Low Data Mode is turned off. After that, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Quick note: Apple always recommends backing up your data via Wi-Fi for the best experience. If your SIM card has limited data, this could be causing the issue. You might want to upgrade to a larger data plan or switch to Wi-Fi for a smoother backup. By following these steps, you should be able to back up your iPhone over mobile data. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, or if you need more help with anything else.